The Great Cup Rescue. Max and Layla had a super adventurous day at school. After school, Mom Elizabeth gave them lunch, a build your own salad stack on fresh, warm brown bread. There was cucumber, tomato, mayo, and grated cheese. All the necessary ingredients to build superheroes. Max made his stack extra tall with a sprinkle of salt, pepper, and a little bit of Six Guns spice. Layla made hers extra neat with only salt and Six Guns spice. After lunch, the two of them curled up with their books. Mom said reading is the road to hidden worlds and new adventures, and exploring those worlds made you thirsty. So later that afternoon, Layla asked sweetly, Max, can you help me get cold water out of the fridge? Max felt his superhero muscles spark. Yes! Super Max is on it! Before she could finish her sentence, Max zoomed to the cupboard, zap, and grabbed the exact cup she wanted, the pink sparkly one. I got it! He cheered proudly. But Layla's little lip wobbled. That was my cup, and I wanted to get it myself. Max froze. He hadn't meant to take over. He wanted to help, really help, but somehow he kept helping a little too hard. He set the cup down gently. Oh, he said quietly, I didn't know you wanted to choose. Layla nodded. Sometimes I want to do things for myself, and sometimes you can get the cup first too. Max thought about this. Superheroes didn't just save the day, they also shared, waited their turn, and listened. So he took a step back. Okay, he said, your turn. You choose first. Layla smiled and picked a different cup, a blue one this time. Max blinked. You didn't even want the pink one today? Layla giggled. Nope, I just wanted a turn to choose. Max poured them cold water in the blue and pink cup, and just like that, the Great Cup Rescue turned into a little moment of learning, sharing, and growing together. A mission completed in true superhero style.